Hi everyone, thanks for stopping by. Today I'm going to talk about backing up vCenter Server 7. If you're still on version 6X, the process is slightly different, so I'll link to an article up top that can help you. First, we need to log into the VME, the Virtual Appliance Management Interface found on port 5480 of VMware Virtual Appliances. We'll log in here using the root username and password. If you haven't logged into this before, this is how you'll manage the VM that runs vCenter. There are a number of things you can do here, with three that are most important. First, on the Monitor tab, you can review various performance metrics of the VM that runs vCenter. On the Update tab, you can review and install security updates and bug fixes. And then on the Backup tab, you'll be able to back up the configuration of vCenter. You'll see I have some activity here. I wanted to document this process, so we'll start from scratch. We can do that by clicking Configure. Now we need to define a location on my network to store the backups. There are a number of protocols you can use. I already have an SFTP server, so we'll use that. I like to keep my vCenter backups outside of my VMware environment in case Murphy's Law should come calling. Since this is a lab environment, a weekly backup will do just fine. I do like to back up vCenter earlier in the day, so if there's an issue, I'll notice it and can take any corrective action I need. There are a number of other settings on this screen. We'll leave the defaults and click Create. Now we can review the schedule to make sure it's correct. If you would like to take a manual backup at this time, you can do so by clicking Backup Now. We can use the configuration settings we've defined in the schedule. We just need to click on Password and supply those credentials. Once we hit Start, the backup will begin. One of the first things you'll notice is there's a database health check running. This is an optional but important step that can help identify any issues that may need correcting. I do recommend that you keep a copy of the VCSA ISO image handy. This backup file we're creating can be used in conjunction with the installer on that image to restore your vCenter. It is important to know the version number of the VCSA ISO image must match the vCenter server version you're running. Now, through the magic of video editing, we'll watch a 20-minute backup process fly right by, and we can see that our backup is completed. I'll sleep easier tonight knowing I have a copy of my vCenter backed up safely should I ever need it. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, give me a like. If you want to see more content just like this, tap that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.